Blackheads can be frustrating and difficult to deal with, especially if you have oily or combination skin. They tend to appear at the worst times, making your skin look dull and uneven. Picture this. You're at a gathering, taking selfies, and someone points out the tiny black spots on your nose. Annoying, right? Blackheads form when your skin produces excess natural oils, which clog open pores. When exposed to air, the trapped oil oxidizes and turns black, leading to those pesky bumps. But don't worry, the solution to your blackhead problem is right in your kitchen. These DIY remedies are simple, effective, and packed with natural goodness. Let's try out. Number 1. Baking soda DIY mask. Baking soda isn't just for baking, it's a powerhouse for skincare too. This everyday kitchen staple can work wonders in your battle against blackheads. With just 2 ingredients, you can create an effective solution to tackle clogged pores and excess oil. Baking soda helps balance your skin's pH levels while acting as a gentle exfoliant, removing dirt, impurities, and dead skin cells. Ready to experience the magic? Let's dive in. Ingredients. You'll need baking soda, water. How to use. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl to form a thick paste. Apply a small amount to your face, concentrating on blackhead-prone areas, and gently massage in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Since baking soda can be drying due to its alkaline nature, always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. For best results, use this DIY mask 1 to 2 times a week and watch your skin transform. Number 2. Egg mask. The humble egg white mask is a tried-and-true remedy that works wonders. Egg whites are known for their deep cleansing properties, helping to extract blackheads, dirt, and excess oil from pores. Plus, when combined with lemon juice, this mask not only unclogs pores, but also brightens and tightens the skin, leaving you with a radiant and smooth complexion. Ingredients. You'll need 1 egg white, a few drops of fresh lemon juice, tissue paper. How to use. Start by separating the egg white from the yolk and whisking it until it forms a foamy texture. Then add 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice and mix thoroughly. Place a piece of tissue paper over the nose or any blackhead-prone area and apply the mixture using a facial brush or your fingers, ensuring the tissue adheres well to the skin. Allow the mask to dry completely for about 15 minutes until you feel your skin tightening. Once dried, gently peel off the tissue and wash your face with lukewarm water, then pat dry. Finish by applying a light moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Why it works. The combination of egg whites and lemon juice makes this mask highly effective. Egg whites help tighten pores and absorb excess oil, reducing blackheads and leaving the skin feeling firmer. Meanwhile, lemon juice acts as a natural astringent, gently exfoliating the skin, brightening the complexion, and controlling oil production. Together, they create a powerful treatment that leaves your skin looking fresh, smooth, and rejuvenated. Use this simple yet effective remedy once or twice a week for the best results. Number 3. DIY Green Tea Mask. Green tea isn't just for sipping, it's a powerhouse for your skin too. Packed with antioxidants, green tea helps cleanse your pores by eliminating excess oil and impurities, making it a great natural remedy for blackheads. Instead of tossing your used tea bags, why not put them to good use? Transform your favorite brew into an effective DIY green tea mask to banish those pesky blackheads. Ingredients you'll need. 1 green tea bag, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. How to use. Start by brewing a cup of hot green tea and allowing the tea bag to steep for about 50 to 60 minutes. Once done, remove the tea bag and let it cool to a comfortable temperature. Carefully cut it open and empty the tea leaves into a bowl. Mix in honey until you achieve a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, focusing on areas prone to blackheads. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry and enjoy the refreshing glow. For best results, use this mask 1 to 2 times per week and say goodbye to blackheads the natural way. Number 4. Sugar and lemon scrub for blackhead removal. Exfoliating your skin is one of the most effective ways to tackle blackheads naturally. Sugar serves as an excellent exfoliator, penetrating the skin's surface to clear out trapped dirt and impurities. Lemon, packed with citric acid, helps dissolve excess oil buildup, while honey provides deep nourishment and hydration. This powerhouse combination offers a simple yet effective solution for clearer skin. Here's how you can create and use this homemade blackhead remedy. Ingredients you'll need: brown sugar, fresh lemon, raw honey. How to use. To prepare the scrub, start by taking 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in a small bowl. Squeeze 2 to 3 drops of fresh lemon juice into it, followed by adding 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a thick, grainy paste. Once ready, gently massage the scrub onto your face using circular motions for about 5 minutes to exfoliate the skin. Afterward, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a soft towel. Finish by applying a nourishing moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Number 5. Turmeric and Honey Mask. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a skincare superhero. Before DIY beauty became a trend, turmeric had already established itself as a go-to remedy for countless skin concerns. And guess what? Modern skincare science agrees. This golden ingredient is a powerhouse when it comes to naturally tackling blackheads and enhancing your glow. Get ready to embrace the magic of turmeric in your DIY skincare routine. Pro tip: turmeric has a tendency to stain the skin temporarily. To avoid a surprise orange tint, apply this mask at least 12 to 24 hours before any special event. Ingredients you'll need: turmeric powder, honey. How to apply. Step into the kitchen and grab that spice jar. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey in a small bowl. To adjust the consistency, add 4 to 5 drops of warm water until you achieve a smooth, thick paste. Using a facial brush or a wooden spoon, apply the mask evenly to your skin. Let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Number 6. DIY Gram Flour and Yogurt Mask. When it comes to natural exfoliation, gram flour, also known as besan in many households, stands out as a gentle yet effective solution. This powerhouse ingredient helps slough off dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oil while keeping the skin hydrated. Its deep cleansing properties penetrate clogged pores, aiding in blackhead removal. Pairing gram flour with yogurt, which is rich in lactic acid, enhances skin texture and brightens your complexion. Say goodbye to stubborn blackheads with this simple homemade remedy. Ingredients you'll need: gram flour, besan, yogurt, curd, honey, turmeric. How to apply. In a clean bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of turmeric. Stir the ingredients thoroughly to create a smooth, thick paste. Using a facial brush, evenly apply the mask to your face and neck. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes until it starts to dry. When rinsing, gently massage your skin in circular motions to remove impurities and dead skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water, pat your skin dry, and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Why it works. This mask works wonders because gram flour acts as a natural exfoliant that removes dirt and dead skin cells. Yogurt is packed with lactic acid to improve skin tone and texture. Honey provides hydration and antibacterial benefits, while turmeric adds a glow and helps combat inflammation. Number 7. DIY Honey and Cinnamon Face Mask. Looking for an effective and natural way to tackle blackheads? The honey and cinnamon mask is a game changer. Cinnamon, often hailed as a hero in the world of home remedies, is packed with antibacterial and cleansing properties. It acts as a natural astringent, helping to minimize pores while combating dirt and excess oil buildup. Meanwhile, honey works wonders by deeply moisturizing and calming the skin, leaving it soft and nourished. If you're aiming for a refreshed, clear complexion, this remedy is worth a try. Ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, 3 tablespoons honey. How to apply. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder with 3 tablespoons of honey until you achieve a thick, smooth paste. Using a facial brush, gently apply the mixture to your T-zone or focus on the nose area, avoiding sensitive areas like the cheeks and under-eye region to prevent irritation. Let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to work its magic. When rinsing, gently massage your skin in circular motions to exfoliate and remove impurities. Finally, pat your face dry and apply a light moisturizer to lock in hydration and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Number 8. DIY Cucumber, Green Tea and Gelatin Mask. Cucumber, green tea, and gelatin are your go-to ingredients for a soothing and rejuvenating face mask. Cucumber provides deep hydration and a cooling effect, keeping your skin fresh and nourished. Gelatin, widely used in home remedies for blackheads, enhances skin elasticity while effectively removing dead cells. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, is a powerhouse for tackling blackheads and maintaining clear skin. Here's how to create this easy DIY mask at home. Ingredients you'll need: fresh cucumber juice, green tea powder, gelatin powder. How to use it? Start by heating a 1/3 cup of water until it reaches a gentle boil, then pour it into a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice and 2 tablespoons of green tea powder, stirring well until the mixture becomes smooth. Once ready, apply the mask evenly to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After it dries completely, gently peel it off and rinse your face with cold water. For optimal results, use this mask once a week to achieve smooth and refreshed skin. Number 9. Oatmeal, Yogurt, and Lemon Face Mask. This homemade oatmeal, yogurt, and lemon mask might be just what your skin needs. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells without causing irritation, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Yogurt, packed with lactic acid, deeply cleanses your pores and enhances your skin's natural glow, while lemon juice works to tone and tighten your skin. This simple yet effective mask is a perfect addition to your skincare routine for a clearer complexion. Ingredients you'll need: oatmeal, yogurt, lemon juice. How to prepare and apply. To prepare and apply the oatmeal, yogurt, and lemon mask, start by soaking the oatmeal in yogurt for a few minutes to soften it. Then, add a few drops of lemon juice to the mixture and stir well. Once combined, gently apply the mask to your face and neck using circular motions. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Finally, rinse off with cool water and pat your skin dry for a refreshed and glowing look. Number 10. Turmeric and Sandalwood Face Mask. Unlock the wisdom of ancient skincare with this timeless remedy. Turmeric and sandalwood have been cherished for generations due to their powerful cleansing and healing properties. These natural ingredients work wonders in drawing out deep-seated blackheads, eliminating bacteria, and promoting a calm, radiant complexion. Ingredients you'll need: sandalwood powder, turmeric powder, yogurt. Instructions: in a small mixing bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder with ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and stir until you achieve a smooth, even consistency. Using a facial brush or a wooden spatula, apply the mixture evenly across your face. Allow the mask to sit for 15 to 20 minutes, letting the nutrients penetrate your skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water while gently massaging your face in circular motions to exfoliate and remove impurities. With this nourishing and highly effective blackhead solution, you can say goodbye to stubborn impurities and hello to fresh, glowing skin. No more battling those pesky blackheads. Your kitchen holds the key to a flawless complexion. So why wait? Gather your ingredients and start your DIY skincare journey today. And if you're dealing with whiteheads too, be sure to explore more natural remedies to achieve clear, healthy skin. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.